Okay, now let's go to part 3 of our discussion. This is called Looking Ahead, Continuing to Shine. So this question is for Ashley. Dito naman tayo sa future. Where do you see your creativity going next? Directing, producing, or something else? Saan mo nakikita?
I'm actually open to anything at this point. Kasi ever since I shifted from nursing to film, I feel like everything is possible as long as you put your mind and heart into it. And also faith in God. Like, sobrang laking part nun. And for me, I still want to learn. Like, maybe venture something more into fashion naman. Like, anything creative. And to those who are like thinking about their life right now na feeling nyo it's too late to pursue your passion and you pursued something more practical, don't worry, it's never too late. And most of us naman are young naman and do the things that we've always wanted to do in a different timeline. So just trust your own pacing.
What story are you trying to tell now, and who are you telling it for?
Sige, kunin ko na rin yung sinabi niya na, hey Lord, di ba? Kasi doon ka dinala ni Lord na landas. Kasi ganun din naman ako eh. Parang I actually applied as a PA. Kasi all I know was that, yun nga, I just actually wanted a job na I can help my family. At the very least, pamilya ko muna, di ba? And then other people. And then si God ang gumawa ng paraan. Nag-apply ako as PA, and then right after the interview, I was told na, why don't you go for a screen test?
Wow!
So my very first job was a news anchor agad sa ABS-CBN.
Wow!
So parang si God ang gumawa ng paraan, nandito ka, para ka dito. So siguro ang masasabi ko lang, gawa tayo ng plano para sa sarili natin, but always leave a space for God. Kasi syempre siya pa rin ang masusunod at yung purpose mo hindi yan mag-iiba. Yung pagkuha mo lang ng purpose na yon, like for example for you, di ba, to heal people. You heal them in a different way, di ba? Emotionally. So ganun din for me. Parang I still get to help people by telling them stories.
That's such a beautiful advice, no? Parang you can plan ahead but leave space for God's plan for you. Oh, ang ganda. Okay, now let's go to Belle. So Belle, what keeps you excited naman about acting and inspiring teens in this next chapter?
You know, whenever I read some of their comments, their tweets or messages nila sa akin, parang nakakataba talaga siya ng puso. Na parang there's this sense of, like what you said earlier, there's this sense of fulfillment na parang, I'm able to do that. Diba? So, dun yung excitement ko every time that I get to do this, get to share, you know, use my platform to inspire other people. I feel like I'm living my purpose. And yes, I have so much more to learn. Pero yun nga, take it one day at a time. Just trust God's plan for you, leave space for Him. But also, don't be afraid to just show yourself to the world and get out of the box. There's so much more exciting things ahead of us and wag tayo mawalan ng pag-asa and hope for that.
Ang galing nung kahit natagal mo na sa industriya, you're still willing to learn, you're still inspiring. So ang ganda nung answer na yon. Thank you.
Don't be afraid to say yes to opportunities. Actually, medyo similar kami ni Nikki na ako, I got into my first hosting gig as well. Pero I was like part of the documentation team lang. Na nagpipicture ako. Tapos parang sinabi nila, oh, do you want to audition for hosting? And I just said, yes, sure. It led me to here. Na parang, oh, I can do public speaking pala in front of many people. So,
And what if you said no, di ba?
yes,
you
what if
wouldn't
I
be
said,
here.
I don't think I can speak in front of a crowd or let alone be in front of a camera. So all it took was saying yes to one opportunity. And if that opportunity doesn't come, favorite quote ko to, if an opportunity doesn't knock, you go ahead and build a door. So go ahead and build that door for yourself, make that opportunity for yourself. So make things happen because everything lies upon your hands.
Beautiful answer. Palakpakan naman natin si Ashley. Beautiful answer. Very inspiring. Parang biglang napaisip na tayo, ano ba yung mga gusto kong gawin, di ba? Parang dapat...
Ano pang doors ang meron tayo?
Yes. What door should I build?
Physical door.
Yeah. I always remember yung movie na Cinderella. Because I was quite young nung napanood ko yun. Pero yung live action kasi parang may iniwan sa kanya yung mom niya bago siya pumanaw. Ang sabi lang niya, anak, basta in life, dalawa lang. Have courage and be kind. Dalawa. So that's all you need in life. For yourself, have courage, meaning, ayun nga, don't be afraid to show who you are. Don't be afraid to pursue the things you want. And for others, for the world, be kind. Maging mabait ka lang. And I strive to embody that at any age. Walang age reveal, pero I strive to embody that at any age. So, yung latest na report ko was about families in Bulacan na 3 taon nang hindi nakikita ang first floor nila.
Ha? Dahil sa lahar or baha?
Hindi bumaba. So, that's just one example. So, in my job right now, yun ang aim ko, to get these stories out. Kasi baka maraming hindi nakakaalam at maraming kayang tumulong na hindi nakakaalam. Yun. So, I still find my purpose in that.
Such a powerful message from Nikki. Thank you very much, Nikki. And now for Belle. Ito, meron kaming pahiwagang salamin. Pahiwagang salamin!
Grabe naman.
Dito, boy. If you could sit down with little Belle, the 9-year-old just starting out, what would you say to her today?
I'll tell her life won't be easy. You know, you'll encounter a lot of step backs and you'll fall so many times. But then you'll also rise. Yun lang. I just want to tell her that, to have that hope in her heart and just continue what she loves doing. One day you'll achieve great things. And I think this message is something I would tell myself to now, 10 years from now. Diba, when I'm 33 na, I'll say the same thing and just always have that heart and always believe in what you can do.
Yes. May iyak na tayong lahat dun. Kami ka naman, Belle. Nakakaiyak. Palakpakan po natin si Belle Mariano. What an inspiring conversation. Don't you guys agree? Well, thank you so much to our incredible panel, Belle, Nikki, and Ashley, for opening up your hearts and sharing such honest, powerful stories with